Trying to get the highest tax refund that you can get? Well, today I'm going to share some of those little secrets and tips with you if you go ahead and keep watching today. Hi, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks as you go on your road to financial success. If you're not already a part of the Financial Spotlight family, go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so you can be part of this wonderful family. And if you are a part of the Financial Spotlight family, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for being a part of our family. And I just want to keep on bringing as much information to you guys as possible. So if you have any suggestions of topics that you want to hear, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. I will definitely get to those topics as soon as possible. So today, as promised, I'm talking to you about how to get the highest tax refund that you can. I know everybody wants to get back thousands and thousands of dollars at tax time. So I'm here sharing a little bit of information with you to tell you how you can go about doing that. Now, as you know, I have done a couple of videos talking about how I am not really a fan of high tax refunds, but because I have clients that really are interested in having high tax refunds, I do have a planning session with them to tell them how they can increase their tax refunds. So I decided to bring that information to you here on the Financial Spotlight Family channel. So let's go. First of all, if you are a W-2 employee or worker, which means you have a 9-to-5, your employer gives you a W-2 every year, and you at tax time, they take the taxes out. At tax time, you file your taxes, and then you get your tax refund, etc. Then what you can do to increase your tax refunds every year is get extra money taken out of your tax or out of your paychecks, every paycheck. So how you go about doing that is you go to your human resources department or your payroll coordinator or your supervisor or whoever it is that takes care of your tax forms or you're taking the giving you paychecks, etc. And you fill out a W-4. Your W-4 is basically just telling your employer how much they need to take out of your paycheck every single time you get paid. What you can do is put on that form that you want more taxes taken out. So you can increase that from $100, $200, $1,000 every paycheck. If that's something that you want to do, you can definitely let your employer know that they need to take out that much out of each paycheck and send that to the IRS on your behalf. They can do that. You can do that. That is an option. Next, if you are a W-2 employee, you can definitely take advantage of your employer's 401k program, or if they have a paid deferment, those type of programs, you can take advantage of those and have money coming out of your check, put into some type of savings account or put on the side. And because you're taking that out, that means your income is going down. And then that means that your taxes are also going down. But then what you're going to do is you're going to, when you filled out that W-4, you're going to increase the amount of taxes that are taken out, and therefore you're increasing your tax refund at tax time. You can also take advantage of, depending on your income level, take advantage of depositing depositing money into an IRA account, a traditional IRA account. When you deposit up to your limit into the traditional IRA account, the limits change every year, and you can increase your tax refund because that is considered a retirement savings contribution, and you can get a deduction for that amount, for the amount that you're having written off, so, or putting in. So that's a way that you can get a higher tax refund. Also, what you can do is um, have a child. There a deduction. Um, buy a house. That's a deduction. Start a business. That's also a deduction, or helps you have deductions. So those things are a way to increase your tax refund by making your tax liability lower, the money and taxes that you owe lower. You can also donate, and that's also a write-off for donations. You can donate to a charitable organization, and you can, if you have a home, you can also make changes to your home that will be beneficial for you, such as solar paneling. And there is a credit for putting solar paneling in your home, and you can get a tax refund in reference to that. Some of the other ways that you can, well, if you're a 1099 worker, like you're an independent contractor, say you drive for Uber, or you have other income that's coming from a place that you've worked for, but they didn't pay you on a W-2. There's all kinds of ways that you can have different write-offs and deductions that you can take throughout the year that will benefit you and help you to decrease your income from those independent contractor contracts. And then that means your tax liability is lower. And sometimes if you have a child, or if you own a home and things of that nature, you will get money back. Also, you can attend school. So say, or your child can attend school. So say you are going to college and you're taking a couple of classes, or your child is going to college and taking a couple of classes, and you claim them on your taxes. You can definitely get a tax benefit from them attending school, or from you attending school. You'll receive a 1098-T. It'll show how much you paid for your classes, or for for the program, and then you can take different write-offs and deductions and tax credits in reference to attending school. Also, if you are a teacher, there are tax credits that you can take as a teacher. So there is another way that you can increase your refunds. There are other ways to increase refunds as well that involve you, if you own your own business and you have different things that you do throughout the year with your business. Maybe you drive your vehicle to make deliveries, or say you are doing postage and mailing things out. All of these are tax deductions, and then at the end of the year, it might result in you getting a tax refund. So I hope that this information helped you. And if it did, go ahead and like this message, share it with your family and friends. And also, again, please subscribe to the Financial Spotlight so you get more information like this every single week here at the Financial Spotlight. Thank you for joining me, and have a good one. Bye.